Welcome guys from the Bothy. We are finally here. Look at these views. This is the Bothy. Baz have just gone to the car to get some essential things for tonight, i.e. beer. Back to the car. It was about a 2-mile trek in, which wasn't too bad. Bit ropey at some points, but yeah, it's good. I'll show you a little look. This is where we're kipping for the night. Got Ben over here, Baz, Big D. So a little setup, some poker, well equipped. Some really well looked after Bothy actually. Everything's great. If you know, you know. I'll catch you soon.